this is Deb with Blue Sea Star Designs, and I'm going to show you this ingenious bobbin trick that I saw at some point, and I don't know where I saw the trick, but I love it. I've been using it all the time, and before this I was always like, this can't be the best way, but typically you would pull the string through your bobbin, put it on, and then you're just kind of holding the string as it gets going and becomes a big knot, and then your bobbins were never quite even. So the trick is wind it through your bobbin and then pull it back through. Okay, let's try that one again because I have butterfingers today. And then you take the thread down the center hole. So it's in the bobbin like you normally do, but then you bring it down that center hole. Then you put it on the bobbin winder, cut off this little bit of excess thread. And just like that, you've got a perfectly bound bobbin. And all you have to do is pull that little string out. And instead of a little knot, you just have that. And look at that, look how even and everything it is. Thanks for watching.